we bring you live action from the fortress. It is the Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore, and it is match number 2 of the Bank Alfala presents KFC T20 series, Pakistan versus South Africa. Toss result was exactly the same as the first game. The coin went up and down in the favor of the Pakistan captain, who elected to have a bowl first.
Impressive start by Reza Hendricks in the first T20 international. Quinton de Kock aided him in a little partnership to get themselves going in a power play. The Zorzi, a little cameo. Brevis, he'll want to step up this evening. Bretska, Ferreira, Linda, the big hitters. Wow, what a game Kerwin Boss had in that first outing. Andre Berger, Bartman in for Lazard Williams this evening. And to follow that Seamus portrait would be Lungisani Ngidi.
Now for Pakistan as well, one change, and it'll come in the seamers column as well. Shaheen Shah Afridi on rotation, rest for Salman Mirza. It's almost a like for like, and it might just be in favor of him. The top order remains the same. Saim, Ayub, Saibzada, Farhan, Babar, Azam will look to get runs on the board. The keeper, Usman Khan, Hassan Nawaz, Salman Ali Agha as well would like some runs in terms of form. Mohammad Nawaz had a spectacular run with bat and ball. An umpire says play. Good start, really good start from Salman. Oh, he's cleaned him up! What a dream start from Salman Mirza, and Reza Hendricks goes for a duck.
Left arm seamer replacing the absolute legend in Shaheen Afridi, and what a way to get rid of Reza Hendricks. That is a sight that every fast bowler in the world absolutely love. Reza Hendricks, he goes for a brief stay this evening, none for one South Africa.
That's better. Unfortunate, unlucky, but that is a very good start from Naseem with the ball. De Kock gets 4. Big shot comes. Does he have the distance to clear mid-off? No, he doesn't. Captain takes the catch, Naseem has 1, and Quinton de Kock departs for 7.
Yeah, dream start for Pakistan. Excellent awareness from Naseem Shah, understanding that Quinton de Kock might want to make a play. Was the off-cutter, pace off, and he's done his man. Yeah, it's a Friday night in Lahore.
And a Friday night that the Pakistan crowd will look to enjoy.
Well, they've gone bang bang. South Africa 12 for 2.
Up in the air, and another one bites the dust. Mirza has 3, South Africa 3 down in the power play.
Yeah, what a start this has been from Mirza. See Tony the Zors, you're trying to get onto that front foot. But it was slow ball into the surface, and he got it high enough to get him into trouble. No pace to work with. This means a little scoop to fine leg, and off you go. Let alone Mirza, 2 for 5 in his first 2 overs. South Africa 15 for 3.
Edge! Oh, he's put it down. Salman Mirza has shelled that. Could have been 4, should have been 4. Oh my goodness. Look away, Salman Mirza, because that is not good enough. Pulled him! Salman Mirza has the last laugh. He gets a rescue wicket himself. South Africa 4 down.
Yeah, excellent captaincy. He's asked his strike bowler to have 1 more, and it's that slower ball again. Yeah, there's not much young Bretska could do about that. But it's the momentum, the guile, firmly with Mirza. Well, South Africa in deep trouble, 4 down now for 23.
Oh, that's gone up in the air, and that's a 6. We're talking about a guy who is immensely talented. Brevis has put that away rather gleefully. And like that, it goes over the rope for a great, gigantic 6. We're talking about the entertainment value of hitting a 4 or a 6 after every 3 odd deliveries. It's just a starter for you guys. Oh, wow! That's the only thing I want to just add to that shot. It really had that massive ball impact. What a strike that is. I mean, that's gone over 100 meters easy.
Oh, what a shot that was. Wow. Picked up that slow delivery very early.
And that's going to be it for him for tonight. So the entertainment comes to a closure.
Seems like it scudded off the surface and it was late on the stroke. At the same time he was cramped. Well-directed shot delivery from Fahim Ashraf. He's got the knack of picking up important wickets. Fahim Ashraf. It was looking dangerous, but he's removed from the middle.
Oh, that is smashed. He's a basher of a cricket ball. That really ran across like at the speed of lightning in the slot and absolutely nailed.
And for the time being, keep on waiting for such deliveries and be ready for them. Another boundary.
Bowled him! He makes another grand comeback for Fahim Ashraf. Spoiling the fun for the South Africans. Yeah, just rolling his fingers on that one. And big inside edge and he's gone.
Yeah, every time he has conceded a couple of boundaries for Fahim Ashraf. He comes back strong. Another wicket for him. It's 66 for 6. South Africa.
That's a wicket. Well, we spoke about opportunities for South Africa to build a partnership, and it's gone a begging again by that man. Fahim Ashraf gets another breakthrough. 7 down now for South Africa.
Yeah, marshalling the troops really well, Salman Ali Agha, as he calls him in for a chat. But it's been another impeccable bowling performance. One after the other, Pakistan bowlers have been relentless. Once again, a cutter into the surface. The line and the length, the combination, excellent. And that means George Linda's innings tonight will come to a close for 9. South Africa 73 for 7. Puts it away with some force. So the free hit goes through the boundary. That's another one. Far too easy so far tonight from Pakistan. Saim has 2, South Africa 8 down.
Oh, an extremely polished performance thus far by the seamers of the Pakistani bowlers. We spoke earlier about the slow ball being the great option, but gets the wicket with a straight up delivery this time around. Corbin Box, he goes for 11.
Yes, beautifully done. The wrong and not picked by the left-hander. And so Babar is amongst the wickets as well. 1 for 89, 3.2 undone by a beautiful delivery.
Yeah, this is when you have mystery spin against the tail-enders. This time round, he's opted for the Karen ball, straightened and beaten Nandriberger, all ends up. Well, South Africa, they lose their 9th, 102 on the scoreboard.
This has gone up a mile and that's gone all the way for 6. It sounded great, almost killed a beautiful little buggy.
And he's picked himself up a 4th this evening. Maybe in an unfamiliar way, but he's dismissed the final wicket for South Africa to curb South Africa to 110 all out in 19.2 overs.
Once again, a batsman undone by variation of quality. Bit of a body blow. The ball shattering the stumps, and South Africa bowled out by Pakistan. Not for the first time that Pakistan have bowled out in opposition. They probably hold a record of bowling out teams in T20Is.
Reza Hendricks was the first to go with an excellent piece of bowling by Mirza, but it was about the seamers this evening. They've really set the tone and not allowing any of those South African batters to get a start. The only one to hit a couple of maximums was young Devil Brevis, but nothing to speak about for South Africa in the batting lineup.
Pakistan bowled magnificently. Beautifully set up by Mirza, 3 for 14. Naseem Shah picked up a couple of wickets. Babar came in handy as well. Fahim Ashraf, 4 for 23. He held his own, was a star with the ball. So Pakistan need 111 runs of 20 overs at 5.55 RPO. Should be tough and win tonight and square the series 1-1. Berger has got pace, strongly built left armour. Yeah, I mean, that is really good. Such a cool hitter when he's on form. There's no better sight than Saim Ayub. Oh, that's gone. That is such a great connection. It's a monster 6. He was itching to lift the ball in the air. Ngidi is absolutely heartbroken because he felt halfway through that he had gotten the better of the batsman not to be making room and lifting it so well.
Bosch, ill-treated with the first delivery, went all the way for a 6. You've got to have strong wrists to be able to clear the boundary with such a stroke.
Well, that's been bullied down the ground. An excellent shot by Saim once again to pick up another boundary in his power play. It's been a full house and they've been thoroughly entertained by the home team.
And the entertainment will continue in the form of another 6 to close the power play out. This is really good from Pakistan. Gives him the charge, a healthy edge, a genuine edge, but will also find the fence for 4. Oh, he's put it down. Brevis has shelled that. He got the yards in to get to the ball, but just inches off the turf and doesn't hang on. Wrapped in the front, bowler likes it, umpire likes it. And that looked as straight as it could get. Wow, what scenes! What scenes here in Gaddafi Stadium. The cheer is not because the wicket's gone down, it is the home crowd, but they're cheering for Babar Azam to come in next.
Yeah, it's an excellent length again from Corbin Bosch. He has the ability to get it to jag back at the right-hander. This time round got it absolutely spot on. Well, South Africa pick up the first. Pakistan 54 for 1.
Oh, that's one way to get off the mark. A classic from Babar Azam to get off and running.
Yeah, that's classical Babar Azam.
Not the first time, but it will be the same result as last time as well. Slashes for 4.
Oh, he's gone downtown. Did he get enough of it? Yes, he has. This is what Pakistan was after, to get this man in on the wicket where he can trust the pace, the bounce, and he's helped himself to another maximum.
He hit 4 in the previous game and he's picked up from there. 83 meters the distance on that. Oh, up and over. Absolutely brilliant. Pings off the bat of Saim, who races to 40. Oh, is that a Saim Ayub no-look shot? That is one of those special hits from him. What an innings this is turning out to be. That is absolutely spectacular from the young guy.
Yeah, just another look at that 6. There's a lot of risk attached to that shot because He's right in front of his pegs, but eyes on the ball. He didn't even lift the head because he knew once there was connection made with the willow, then it was going to go the distance.
That will bring up Saim Ayub's first half century in T20 internationals in Pakistan. The total tally goes to 5, and it's been quite a spectacular innings so far. Well played, young man.
Yeah, what a magnificent innings.
Marches on in some fashion, Saim Ayub. Halfway mark in the chase, Pakistan 92 for 1.
And he becomes a record holder, and the crowds absolutely know this. They know what he has achieved as a batsman, as a cricketer. This is a great effort. But someone who's allowed his bat to do the talking, and this is a massive record. Highest T20I run getter. Oh, absolutely laid into that one. That's gone all the way for a big 6. 100 comes up as a result of that towering 6.
Yeah, he felt that his option was on the cards. He kind of felt that Saim Ayub was just trailing onto that offside, looking for the opportunity to take it across to the leg side, and does so with conviction. 92 meters, pumps it into the stadium.
Pakistan a strike away from winning this. Here's the big strike, and Pakistan win this quite comprehensively. Great win. Splendid comeback after being shown the door in the Rawalpindi T20I. All things working well for Pakistan with the bat. They win this by 9 wickets. The game beautifully set up by the bowlers. Nothing to show for the South African bowlers because they were hammered by Saim Ayub. 71 of just 38. Babar Azam remained not out on 11 earlier. Farhan hit 3 sixes in his 28. And so the game finishing in the 14th over. 112 for the loss of 1.
Yeah, defending 110 was always going to be a tough challenge for the South African bowlers. Unfortunately, couldn't make the early breakthrough against the Pakistan opening batters. Bergen and Ngidi, 2 overs apiece. Bosch, the sole wicket taker.
110 all out South Africa. No contributions really from anyone except for Brevis, who looked brilliant for his 25 of 16. Pakistan in reply didn't have any issues.